Hey guys, I'm Sir William, and today I wanted to give you a quick walk around of the four-wheel pop-up campers 𝐏𝐿 model. This 𝐏𝐿 model is on a Ram 3500, but this is for any full-size truck. First and foremost, you see that you're going to have a window right here. This right here is your access panel for your furnace and hot water heater maintenance. Right here you have your fill spout for your water. It does have a 20-gallon water tank on it, on board, which is really nice, and it locks up so you don't have to worry about anything. You do have side LED lights, as well as LED lights on the bottom, and LED lights over here in the back. Right up here, you have your connection for whenever you're at shore power. Over here, you have your shower hookup, and all your four-wheel campers are going to come with one shore power connection, as well as a hose for your shower hookup here. And right here, you have where your gray water comes out at. Over on this side, you have your propane tank storage. You can hold two medium-sized propane tanks right here. And then, of course, you have your window, and then your refrigerator fan, some more side lights, some more under lights as well. When you pop it up, you have 6 latches. 2 at the front on each side. As well as 2 in the back. You also have a little spot right here that hooks into the door, so that way it'll stay open for you. Once inside the pop-up camper, it's pretty easy to pop up. So first and foremost, you've got a little safety latch there. Put your hand up on this board and push where the knob is. And then pop it out. Then you take your strap, put it over just like that. For the front here, you're going to do a pretty similar action, except for use this as leverage. There you have it. Each window has a cover, as well as the plastic window itself, and then mesh. There is an optional thermal package that you can get. The 𝐏𝐿 comes with 4 windows all the way around. Ample amounts of storage inside the 𝐏𝐿, with the countertop coming open. This countertop comes open with a little deeper storage. You have 2 sets of cabinets here, both independent. Very nice area to store all of your stuff. Over here, in my opinion, is where the 𝐏𝐿 really shines, with a pretty deep sink for you to do any of your dishes or do anything that you need to do. Also, like I said, you have hot water and cold water with that 20-gallon onboard water. You have a 2-burner Dometic stove, which is really nice and has really good flame control. One of the things that I really like about four-wheel campers is the small things that they do to go above and beyond, like the splash guard right next to the stove. So that way you don't mess up the backing here. Pretty cool. Moving down here, first and foremost, you have your thermostat. This controls your furnace. This is a really nice feature. I woke up this morning, it was 35 degrees. I fired up the furnace and it was warmed up in no time. So really nice feature to have. Also, you can move this vent to direct it any which way that you want it to go, which is really good. Right here, you have an AC outlet. This only works whenever you're connected to shore power. Then you have a 12-volt socket, as well as 4 USB plugs. These 12 volts and this 4 USB plugs work at all times. Down here you have your water pump. Right up here you have your water heater. You turn your water pump on and then your water heater on, and you'll have 6 gallons of hot water from your 20 gallons that you have on board. Right down here you have 2 indicators. You have a battery indicator as well as a fresh water indicator. As you can see, I'm 1/3 of the way full and full on battery. Right here you have a solar power indicator. This indicates that I'm charging at 13 volts, which is good. Moving on, right here you have your batteries, and then you have a set of lights here to be accessed from both inside or outside. You have your refrigerator fan, floodlights, exterior down lights, interior floor lights, as well as your exterior side lights. Underneath the counter on both sides, you'll see these accesses. These accesses allow you to access your turnbuckles that hold the camper down. You'll want to make sure that those are tight periodically throughout your travel. Each 𝐏𝐿 comes equipped with a refrigerator which is nice. So you got a couple different ways that you can have your dinette. Right now it's set up for dining. If you take this table out, it slides right in those tracks. Now you have an additional bed. So the 𝐏𝐿 comes standard with roughly a queen size cab over bed. That can be pulled out. Once you put those pads down here, you're at roughly a king size bed. Pretty nice setup, huh? Each 𝐏𝐿 comes with 3 of these LED lights that are really nice. They are touch sensitive, and you can power them on as well as dim them out, brighten them all the way up to their max, or just turn them off. Before you get ready to put down the camper, you'll attach the bungee to each of your eyelets there for your covers. That way, whenever you lower it, it pulls the material inside. Now, once you unbutton this, pull your board, and it'll come down slowly. One thing to note, you never want to pack your camper higher than this piece right here. That is where the roof line will come to. For the front, we're going to do the same as we did, just in reverse. We're going to pull this knob, and we're going to duck our head, and then we're down, just like that. Once you do that, you latch this back up, and what that's doing is just keeping this from rubbing on your counter up here. One of the things that really makes four-wheel pop-up campers stand out is their fully welded all aluminum frame that you see. What that does for you is that's going to provide strength on your camper for inherently whenever you put these things in the back of a pickup truck, they're going to flex and move around a good bit. So you want something that's nice and strong. I've taken this thing on all sorts of off-road trails, off-camber positions, and it's held up just fantastic. All we have left to do now is make sure that all of our latches are completely latched down tight and securely, and we're off for another adventure. I hope that you found this video useful. If you need some more information, go online to www.fourwh.com, where you can find a full list of specifications, frequently asked questions, as well as locate a dealer near you, so that way you can start your adventures. Till next time, see ya.